Heck,
Hello. I signed you in, Rudra, because I just copy pasted the last working group and you were there.
okay, thanks. Yeah, I always forgot to do that.
Yeah, no worries. You were in the last one that we had, so.
So,
Hey,
should I ping Jesse?
yeah, he's gonna be here. We'll start at 5 after. All right, should we go ahead and run through it?
Yep.
All right, I'll share. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, sign into the document. Looks like everybody's there. Don't see any new faces. Open RCs. I'm pretty sure these are empty. Oh, this one.
Yeah, Jesse was talking about bringing the one from Josh back, I think.
Yeah, he brought this up a couple weeks ago, and I think I need to review it. Oh, I'm not the only one, but yeah, I forgot. Actually, I might even have it in one of these tabs here, but I do remember that that's in my backlog. Okay, update on graduation. Do you want to do that, Terrence?
Yeah, so open comment period. I mean, the issue's still open, but I think is technically closed. And right now we're just waiting on the last steps, which is I'll paste in the Google Doc. The issue that Joe opened. which is where the voting, it's like our initial application, and that's kind of where voting takes place. Um, and so I don't know how long voting goes for, but yeah, once essentially that goes through, that's kind of the last step. And so it looks like the most recent update from 3 hours ago was seven in favor, one abstain, three haven't voted. So we've gotten 63.64%. So we just, I think, need one more person. And once that happens, I think we go through,
Cool.
which I don't know, maybe we already have it. Uh,
Yeah, I think
uh,
if like I think it depends. Like if let's say those three people abstain, like I think we have it, right? Like so it depends maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure how they measure that.
I think you need at least 66, it looks like.
Yeah, but the
So
question is like does abstain count as a no? Like if it's or does it remove that person from the pool? I don't know. Yeah. I don't know.
yeah. So I think once that is good to go, that's like the last step, which is super exciting. It's been, 7 year journey for us. So I think 7 years, right?
Well,
Mm.
since
It'll be coming,
incubation,
it's
right?
coming,
Yeah.
yeah, it'll be coming on 8 years, I think. Right.
Hmm.
Um, so yeah, super exciting.
Yeah. Do you know like there's a bunch of stuff for graduation, like the video and things like that for KubeCon? I assume we just, like I didn't sign up for any of that because we're not graduated yet, but like I don't know if there's any like KubeCon things we should be aware of once graduation
I
happens so that we could,
I I I assume they will tell us,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
versus like, please go figure it out. But oh, can you
Yeah,
replace that URL? Does it tell you?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. Okay. Um, yeah, so pretty excited for that. But yeah, they'll want that 6 month update thing, so we'll need to also work on those pieces
Yep.
that they want from that. So I guess we get to be one of the first projects that get to go through it. Or it sounds like it's not a full thing and it's just an update on the kind of contingencies of the graduation. So I don't think they're going to do like a full review of like
Yeah, the
due
full due
diligence and
diligence
everything.
doc and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But I think we just have to present to the TOC in 6 months on
Hmm.
the updates from basically this, it sounded
Right,
like
right.
from Arena and Facila. So, but yeah, honestly, like overall, it's been pretty good experience working with Facila besides, uh, she really likes DMs and not using the Slack channels, but, uh, yeah,
Yeah, well, thank you for keeping us posted though.
yeah. So super close.
Awesome. Cool. So, KubeCon, I managed to get an extension because I missed the deadline, but we submitted Lightning Talk, which my name is on now, but I'm happy to reassign that to anybody else who wants to. And then the maintainer track talk, two folks from Salesforce uh, who are using build packs internally for integration tests are doing a talk, or that's been proposed, I should say.
Great.
Uh, the kiosk deadline is not up yet, but I think you said you signed up for the kiosk, Terrence. Is
Yeah,
that
I already
right?
submitted a thing for the
Okay.
kiosk, as far as, yeah. And then since this has been done under incubation, we only can get the half slot, but I think that's fine. Like, you can't get the full day, you have to take, you can only get the half day.
Yep. That's fine. Full day is a lot.
So
Okay. I think that's it then for KubeCon. I don't think there were any other things we need to sign up for.
no. I assume some stuff might come up if the graduation things happen, but we'll
Sure,
learn
sure.
about those things. Um, yeah. I mean, there's probably some, not for this KubeCon, but there's probably some conversation where it'd be cool to get adopters to do some of the maintainer track talk pieces.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know, Rudra, if that's like a thing Firmware's interested in potentially participating in for a future KubeCon.
We did submit one talk regarding like opinion and build packs for I think it was the KubeCon and I don't think that one got accepted yet, but I'm
Yeah,
just
I don't
saying
think
like we
they've
were doing
done.
something.
Yeah, I don't think they've done the CFP review yet, so it may be a little while.
Yeah, but I mean if we need to align because obviously like opinion uses build packs and builders a lot internally. But if we need to like switch our um like kind of like the main topic of our talk to
No,
align with
no,
this
no.
like
It
No,
wouldn't be
no, no.
switching. We were just, I was just thinking like it would be cool to get adopters into the maintainer track talk potentially in the future.
Yeah, so we like the CFP. I don't know if you're familiar with this, but like there's the general CFP, and then there's a maintainer track CFP that's um, less selective. So we have yet to have a maintainer track talk be rejected. But we're always looking for fresh content. We've, for the most part, done a here's what build packs are 101 kind of thing many times. And it'd be great.
yeah.
Like we should talk about it for EU, but yeah, KubeCon EU. But if maybe what your proposal may just fit in as a good maintainer track talk. So let's do that ahead of that CFP, which I guess will be in the fall.
Okay.
Well, yeah, we can talk at KubeCon, I guess, because I feel like
Yeah.
the CFP always sneaks up on you. It's like literally
Yeah.
like it's like Thanksgiving or
Right
something is
then.
like when
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
Though th this year was like before NA, which was really weird.
Yeah. And they said they had a lot fewer submissions.
Still didn't get a talk in, but
Yeah.
even with the CFP date buff. So
The EU one I believe because our company was there as well and David and Colin like they um presented a talk that was related to build packs as well. Um and David demoed a build pack that uses Trivy to do dependency scan. Uh, as like the focus of the presentation.
Yeah, that sounds familiar. I can't remember if I was talking to somebody about it. I don't think I actually saw the session though. Cool. So one last thing was this RC, Terrence. You
yeah.
said we need to assign issues and stuff like
Well,
that, or
we have to it has to get merged, right? Because then it becomes an official thing, and then we have to actually go update all the places, right? Where it
Mhm.
is. And then I think once that's in place, once we actually do all the updating of like the governance doc and everything, um, the two things from the RC that come out is appointing like the current TOC, we're gonna have to set the terms of our thing on it. And that's a discussion we should have with Sambov or and then the second one is we have to actually fill out the rest of the steering committee, right? So that needs to be done from the end user kind of adopter
Yeah.
pool.
But that needs to be done basically by our re-review, the 6 month re-review, right? As opposed to
I
graduation.
yeah, I think ideally we are like it should happen well before the review
Sure, sure,
because
sure, sure.
I
They
think
want to
they
have it
want
in
to see
place.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want to have it in place and see how it is going and that it's an update versus the like, it just happened.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So let's get this merged. I know that we got it like I'm not sure how that script is doing that that does it, but this one we can probably do manually pretty easily since it's not like code. I don't mind taking the updates if I can put some cycles on that if you want. But I think we can get that done this week.
Okay. Yeah, and then we need to figure out how we want to, I guess, do the appointees for the initial round of stuff.
Yeah.
We can either there's room in the RFC where we can either just point or we can do the kind of nomination and stuff to draw that out.
Yeah, whatever you think.
But we probably have time and space now that we're not trying to get stuff in to meet graduation. Uh, and it will feel more open and I think compliant with the values of the project if we probably do it, if we do the proper time and kind of openness for it.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the things that was highlighted was just our RFC process actually.
Yeah, is a good thing. Yeah. In terms of
Yeah.
transparency and how things work.
Yeah. Um, I did post a thing in Build Pack maintainers around the Git vote stuff. Um, I don't know if you potentially we could move the RFC process over to it. Not that it's broken, but it's actually an interesting idea. But it's like what they're using for the voting uh, uh for like our graduation thing. But the CNCF has a Git
I
vote
see.
thing, and
Yeah.
Bootsy also just adopted it for doing things. But I feel like all this stuff came out well after we've kind of built all of our systems, but
Yeah.
I don't know, it
Yeah,
might
I'll
be
take a look. I
worth.
didn't see that.
Yeah, but it's basically it does the emoji thing, and there's like a, you know, um, there's a lot more status comment kind of stuff as part of it, but it probably aligns better because it tracks like who has binding and who doesn't potentially,
Hmm.
and things like that. It may encourage also the community to vote, which I think historically they don't. Hey Juan.
Hey guys, sorry, was stuck in another.
Yeah, we were just doing KubeCon and TOC graduation stuff basically up to this point.
Awesome.
And then yeah, and and then I was just bringing up kind of the if we wanted to look at maybe moving over to the Git vote stuff from the CNCF. Um, that I pasted in the
Okay,
maintainers
got it.
channel, which
Yeah.
not high priority or anything, but
Okay, got it. I will take a look on that one.
uh, did you have topics you wanted? New pack release, saw that.
Yeah, I've been releasing some CVE stuff on pack. Uh I need to tackle an issue that I create on ImageUtil to be able to remove all the dependencies with the Docker thing and just move to the whole movie library, and that will allow us to stop getting CVEs and those things. But I need to work on that. That's on my plate. Uh, and then also work on some PRs that are open for pack 041. I've been deferring that one because every time that I want to move on, then a new CD comes up, and then I think on that. But that's on my plate. Hopefully I will have some time to deal with it. Um, that's all on my side.
Cool. I think that might be it then. Anybody have anything else to share?
I'm still trucking along on the Rust launcher stuff slowly. Just been focusing more on lots of graduation pieces in the short term, but
Yeah.
I should be able to get back to that.
Yeah.
And then I approved the moving off of Steven's spec testing thing finally after 7
Yeah,
years.
yeah, thanks. I was kind of thinking of just pausing on that until your Rust stuff was done. Because then I'm like, because I was kind of focusing on life cycle, and I'm like, maybe I should not and do pack.
Okay.
I mean, does that make sense? Because that's the launcher,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
okay, all right,
Yeah, I
okay.
think that makes sense.
Yeah.
Plus you can just bug Juan about it.
Of
Uh,
course.
yeah.
About what?
Sure.
Oh, doing the changes in pack? Oh, getting him to approve. I see what you're saying.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I mean, he's
I was
here, so
gonna say,
we can put
I
him
was
on the
gonna say,
spot, which is great.
yeah. No, I was gonna say, I'm the one. I get to use the tokens, so
Uh, Actually, there was I was gonna open a thing after all this governance stuff gets through, of like moving one to basically be platform lead. I think it's been true for a while. So
yeah, good call.
I was gonna open that
Should we
up
tell
on
him?
the voluntold.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I think
okay.
technically you're just like component maintainer or something, which actually feels weird.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I'm actually a component maintainer.
Yeah.
That's right.
So yeah, I was gonna open up an issue for that, and I
Okay.
think potentially that's where like the Git vote stuff may be helpful, but yeah, like obviously we can just do that on the PR there. But
Okay. Okay.
I don't know if you want to say no, Juan.
No, no, I mean, I don't want to say no. I'm happy. I mean, helping as much I can on the project. Uh, my only concern, obviously, it's always about time. But I think that's fine. I mean, I will happy to.
Well, yeah, I don't think I think what's interesting about it is like we're not actually asking for more time. Like, I think we're asking to put a
So
label
I'm
on what
okay
you're
with it.
already doing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It also comes with a 20% raise, and 20% of zero is still zero. So it's a joke. Supposed to laugh one.
But yeah, so I don't know if you want to do that, Joe, or you want me to do that, but I'm happy to open the PR.
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't mind doing it, I guess.
Um, yeah, I think that's it that I had. Anything you wanted to bring up, Rudra?
No, nothing from our side.
Cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna drop then. Thanks,
Thank you,
everybody,
guys. Thank
and
you.
we'll
Thank
see
you.
you next week.
Okay.
Bye.